question. Okay, quickly about the Pharaoh. Just one second. I want to quickly about the Pharaoh. I heard from Rabbi Reuven just recently. It's unbelievable. So he said, why Hashem had to give Jewish people all of the treasure from all Egypt, if like few days later he would give like much more treasure in a sea of reeds, right? Much more, right? So that like, I don't know, 100 times more, 200, I don't know, a lot more. So what was the point for them carrying all the way to the desert if these Egyptians brought all of this gold and diamonds and jewelry to them, right? Delivered. So what was the point? And the answer was very beautiful, because Hashem said so. Because Hashem promised to Abraham that your children after the slavery, they're going to come out of that country with a lot of treasures. Right? That's it. Just because, so even though 3 days later, or it was more than days later, they're going to get 10 times more, 100 times more, does not make a difference. Hashem said they're going out with a treasure. I said it, I'm doing it. So, and that's what we have to always have in mind, that Hashem delivers on His promises. People, not so much. Hashem always, right? When? In the right time. So he said they're going out from Egypt with the treasure. They went out with the treasure. Then Hashem decided, I'm going to give them 10 times, 100 times more. He gave for 100 times more. It's like He's unlimited.